Okay, now it's time to scan all the ports. By default, when we run the nmap, this one, okay, remember when we run it like this, it will scan the first 1000 port. So in my case, I don't need that, or one specific ports. In my case, I need to scan all of the ports. How to do such a thing? The same command, but this time, let's increase the font size a little bit. This time, it will be -p dash, like this, and you can see it will take longer time. Okay, this time, it scanned and find that there are other ports, like these ones, as you can see. So it scanned all the ports. By the way, we have other options or other shortcuts like -p 1/, which means 1 from 1 to 6 5 535, like this. It will do the same job. So either to provide the port range or to put it like this -b dash. Okay, P stands for port, it's simple. Or you want just to check if the port 80, port 443, the HTTPS is open, so you can put that like this 80/ or sorry, comma, then put 443 or put 112, for example. Okay, so it will start scanning only these 3 ports. So as you can see, the 80 is open, the 443 HTTPS is closed, and the